What is wrong with that dog?
Look at the ocean, it's pulling back. We have to get out of here.
What is that shadow? Oh my God, look at the sky! We have to get out of here, run!
Imagine you're standing on a beach, and suddenly, the ocean disappears. Not slowly, but rapidly, like it's being pulled away.
It's pulling away!
Fish
Look how
are
fast!
flopping on the sand, boats are tilting, and people are walking forward, curious. But what they don't realize is, this is the last warning they'll ever get. Tsunamis don't just appear out of nowhere. Before they strike, the Earth gives off warning signs. Some are obvious, some are subtle, and some are so strange, most people don't even recognize them. In 2004, during the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, thousands of people saw these signs, but didn't understand them. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what happens before a tsunami hits, step by step. The first trigger, earthquake. It usually starts far away from the shore, deep beneath the ocean floor. A powerful earthquake, not just any earthquake, but one strong enough to move the seafloor itself. When tectonic plates suddenly shift, they push massive amounts of water upward. That's the moment a tsunami is born. But here's the key warning sign. If you're near the coast and you feel a long, strong earthquake, you may already be in danger because the wave could be minutes away.
Look at the wave!
Run! Everyone run! Get to higher ground. Keep running, hurry! Don't look back, just keep going.
But what if you didn't feel the earthquake at all? The ocean disappears. This is the most famous and most dangerous warning sign. The ocean suddenly pulls back, not just a little, but hundreds of meters. The seabed is exposed. Fish flop helplessly, and everything feels wrong. People often walk toward it. They take photos, they explore, but what they're actually seeing is the ocean being pulled back before it strikes. This is your clearest warning. If the ocean suddenly disappears, run. Strange silence. Another sign is something you don't hear. Silence. The usual sounds of waves, wind, wildlife suddenly fade. It's like the environment pauses. Survivors often describe it as the calm before something terrible. That silence is the buildup of something massive. Animals know first. Sometimes, animals react before humans do. Birds suddenly fly inland. Dogs become restless or try to escape. In some cases, elephants have been seen running to higher ground before a tsunami even arrives. Why? Because they can sense vibrations long before we can. It's not magic, it's sensitivity. And if animals are suddenly fleeing, you should probably do the same. The horizon changes. One of the most unsettling signs is what you see in the distance. The horizon doesn't look normal anymore. Instead of a flat line, it starts to rise. Slowly at first, then faster, until you realize it's not the horizon. It's a wall of water. And by the time you understand that, it may already be too late. Multiple waves. Here's something most people don't know. A tsunami isn't just one wave, it's a series of waves. The first one might not even be the biggest. Some people survive the first surge and think it's over. Then they return, only to be hit by something even more powerful. That's why the danger doesn't end after the first impact. The chain reaction. Just like your previous videos, this is a chain reaction. Earthquake, seafloor movement, water displacement, tsunami. And before the final impact, the Earth gives signals, but those signals only matter if people recognize them. The tragedy isn't just the wave, it's the lack of awareness.
What is wrong with that dog?
Look at the ocean, it's pulling back. We have to get out of here.
Fresh snacks, cold drinks right here. Get your kites before they're gone.
Nice shot. I got it, I got it. Woo, let's go.
And here's the reality. You don't need technology to survive a tsunami. Sometimes, all you need is to recognize the signs. Because when the ocean disappears, it's not a mystery, it's a warning. If this video taught you something important, share it, because someone else might need to see it. Subscribe for more deep dives into how the world really works. And comment, "I would run," if you made it this far.